Most AI prospecting in commercial real estate is built to find owners who might sell. That's not what I'm building. I'm building a tax logic system designed to find tax opportunity. Most prospecting systems chase activity. They build broad lists, generic lead generation, and outreach based on who might sell, refinance, or respond. But that often creates noise, not real relevance. Most commercial real estate underwriting models stop one layer too early. They usually look at the property, the income, the financing, and the projected returns. But they often leave out the tax layer. And that missing layer can change the deal. It can affect after-tax cash flow, depreciation timing, cost segregation potential, Form 3115 opportunity, renovation strategy, and even how a broker should position the property. So instead of using AI just to find names, I'm using it to find situations. Situations where a property owner or listing may be signaling that tax strategy deserves a closer look before the deal moves too far. This is not generic lead generation. It is a tax logic prospecting system built to surface owners, brokers, and properties where the tax layer may be too significant to ignore. AI isn't replacing underwriting, it's structuring it. Most prospecting systems look for activity. Tax logic looks for opportunity hidden inside the property. Follow tax logic for commercial real estate tax strategy, AI workflows, and after-tax deal thinking.